Good day, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be finding the approximate value of the cube root of 28. Wow. And we are instructed to do this without a calculator. Okay? Now let's get started. Suppose we have the function of x equal to cube root of x. Okay? Now, from here, what is going to be our x subscript 0 in this case? Remember, our x subscript 0 is going to be the nearest perfect cube to 28, and that should be 27, because 27 is equal to 3 times 3 times 3, right? Hope this makes sense. Okay, let's continue. So let us write it down here that our x subscript of 0 is going to be 27, okay? So here we're going to compute our f of x subscript of 0. So this is equal to cube root of 27, okay? And this is equal to 3. Wow. So next step, f prime of x is going to be to differentiate this cube root of x, okay? So remember, ddx of x raised by n, that is any power, is equal to multiply n, then subtract 1, okay? So we can see that the ddx of cube root of x is going to be 1 over 3 x raised by negative 2 over 3. Okay, so here we have f prime of x to be what? 1 over 3 times x raised by negative 2 third. So from here we can compute our f prime of x 0. So this is going to give us 1 over 3 times, 27 raised by negative 2 over 3. So simplifying this, so we have 1 over 3. You know the indices law, that when we have a raised by negative m, this is equal to 1 over a raised by m. So from here we get this to be 1 over 3 times 1 over 27 raised by 2 over 3. So simplifying this, we have 1 over 3 times, cube root. Remember we have, okay, let's rewrite using this formula. A raised by m raised by n is equal to a raised by n raised by m, and also a raised by mn can be expressed as a raised by m raised by n. Okay, so here we're going to write as 1 over cube root of 27 first, then raised by 2. So here we have 1 over 3 times 1 over cube root of 27. Here is 3, so 3 squared. So here we have 1 over 3 squared times 3, so that is 27. Wow, that's nice. Now remember the formula for our linear approximation. So we have f of x subscript 0 plus f prime of x subscript 0, open bracket x minus x subscript 0. So in this case, here we have L of x is equal to our f x subscript of 0 we got initially, that is 3, plus our f prime of x subscript 0, so that is 1 over 27. Then open brackets x minus our x subscript 0, that is 27. Now we have cube root of 28 equals cube root of x. So here we have x equals 28. So we're going to compute L of 28, and this is equal to 3 plus 1 over 27, open bracket 28 minus 27. Okay, so writing this L of 28 as what? Cube root of 28, because that is the approximation. So this is approximately equal to 3 plus here 28 minus 27, here is 1, so we have 1 over 27. So this is equal to, 3 can be written as what? 3 can be written as 81 over 27, then plus 1 over 27. So I avoided the primary school LCM method here. So we have this 82 over 27. So here we say cube root of 28 is approximately equal to 82 all over 27, and this is approximately equal to, so this is approximately equal to 3.0370. Okay, now calculator gives the cube root of 28 to be equal to, so 3.03658, and so on. So with our linear approximation, we are able to at least approximate this to 3 good decimal places, because from here we have 3.03, rounding up, so we get 37, and this is the right approximation. So we deduce that the cube root of 28 is approximately equal to 3.0370. Thank you for viewing, and please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel for more interesting videos.